Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hope everything is well. So if you're new here, my name is Melissa and today I'm gonna do this full glam Christmas makeup look for you guys. And of course you can use this makeup look in New Year's Eve as well. So let's go ahead and start to apply the foundation. For more resistance, I apply a micellar water to clean up my face, and then I used a little bit of setting spray. Now I'm applying my foundation all over with a damp beauty blender. This video I was filming for my Portuguese channel, which is from Brazil, and I really love this makeup look, so I decided to bring it here for you guys as well. But the products that I'm using here are different, so you can use similar products that you have at home. So I'm using a really lightweight foundation for this look, and as you can see I got a really natural glowy finish for my skin. And next I'm gonna apply a little bit of concealer, and this one I'm using too light because I want to highlight my face a little, so I'm gonna use a medium coverage concealer, and I'm gonna apply this concealer just where I want to stand out even more. And to blend, I'm gonna use the same beauty blender that I was using to apply my foundation all over. And of course, if you don't like to apply a lighter concealer to highlight the under eye area, you can use a natural shade. For example, the same shade as the foundation that you are using. Actually, I really like to use a concealer that is a little bit lighter than my foundation, but this one is too light for me, but it's okay. When I finish to blend everything, it looks good. Next, I'm gonna apply contour, and today I'm using a cool shade just to sculpt my face a little, and I'm using a really firm brush, but this is a more round shape that I really like to apply contour and also blush. It helps a lot to apply the product exactly where I want it to be and also to blend the edges. So I create all the shades in my face with the brush, and next, to finish off, I just go back with the blender to kind of diffuse even more the shape of my contour and to give me a more natural finish. Next, using the same brush, I'm gonna apply blush in my face, and I'm gonna apply a pink blush in the apples of my cheeks, blending it out. So I go back with the same blender that I was using before, just to make sure that everything is well blended as I like. Next, I'm gonna apply highlighter in the highest points of my cheeks to stand out even more, and also I'm gonna apply the highlighter in the center of my face. So I'm using here a big fluffy brush. This is for the eyes, but I'm using as a highlighter brush because I really want to concentrate the product. A fluffy brush like this helps me to apply the product and also blend the edges softly, which is extremely important for highlighter to avoid the harsh lines. I'm gonna apply in the center of my nose the same highlighter using the tip of my fingers to concentrate the product a little more. And next I'm gonna just set my face using a little bit of powder, and here I'm using a translucent powder, loose powder, because I really love the finishing that it gives me, and the loose powder makes my skin looks a lot more natural. So I'm gonna apply just a little because I don't want to remove completely the shine of my face. I don't want to take off the beautiful glow unless I wanted to make it all matte, but today is not the case. So let's move on to the eyes. The first thing I like to do for this look is apply a light brown eyeshadow base, and today I'm gonna apply with a fluffy brush because I concentrate the product in the outer corners and also in the eyelid, and what is left in the brush I just diffuse the edges. As I'm using a cream eyeshadow base, I don't want to apply directly in the crease because I really want to avoid the harsh lines, and this color I'm gonna use as a transition. So even if I'm applying a light color for the eyeshadow base, I like to apply just a little and softly smudge the edges. Now using the same brush, I'm gonna apply a medium brown eyeshadow just in the outer corners of the eyes, and I'm gonna focus this color right here because I'm gonna diffuse the edges when I got no more products left in the brush. So I'm gonna just kind of blend in circular motions to my crease, creating a beautiful transition as you guys can see. And next I'm gonna change the brush and I'm gonna apply the darker brown eyeshadow just in the roots of the lashes. So I'm gonna apply in the top lashes and bottom lashes as well. The contact lenses that I'm using here are from Solotica, and this is the shade called Ipanema from the Rio collection. They are amazing, guys. I absolutely love this color. So I had to mention because now I'm looking here in the video and the color of my eyes are stunning with this makeup look. So I'm applying carefully this dark brown eyeshadow in the roots of the lashes, and to diffuse the color, I'm gonna go back with the same brown that I was using to apply in my outer corners, and I'm gonna just apply this shade with a really small brush, as you guys can see here, to keep the precision. And I'm gonna just diffuse a little bit the dark brown eyeshadow because I don't want to do a too thick lower lash line, so I decided to take a smaller brush like this. Okay, so when I finish to blend the eyeshadows as I like, we're going to the fun part. So now I'm gonna apply the glitter, and here I'm using a really thin glitter, and I don't have to apply lash glue or any type of glue because it will stick in the eyeshadow base that I applied before. And to highlight, I'm gonna use the same highlighter that I used for my face. So with a really small brush, I'm gonna apply in the inner corners and in the brow bone. And this is it for the eyes. So I just curl my lashes and apply lots and lots of mascara, or I just apply some fake lashes. But here I decided to curl the lashes, apply the mascara, and I applied a few fake lashes just to give me a more natural finish. And to conclude the look, I'm gonna apply a metallic red lipstick. Oh wow, I love this color. To apply the metallic red lipstick, today I'm using a really small brush. This is a lip brush, and I'm gonna just concentrate to apply the red lipstick. But if you like, you can use a lip contour to create a guideline. And this is how I finished this makeup look. I really hope that you love it much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, and comment down below what you think about this makeup look. And I see you later in the next videos. Mwah. Bye. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. Love you guys.